Hello everyone. After some time we come up with another simple Python tool. So this tool will be used to convert a JSON file into a YAML file. So when we compare in two files, JSON file and a YAML file, there you cannot see much difference. There you can see some curly brackets and some inverted commas in the JSON file, but we can only see tag value pairs inside a YAML file. So only the indentation matters for that, no curly brackets in the YAML file. So here in this tool I have used JSON package as well as the YAML package for the coding. So here is my JSON to YAML Python script. So I have here included the input JSON file. So it is similar to what we have seen in the previous slide. So inside this script it is very small one, so I have using this JSON and YAML packages for the coding. And first we need to open the JSON file in the read mode, open a output YAML file which is in the write mode, which is the output file as well. So inside this script only 4 steps are there. So first step we need to call the json.loads a deserializer, so which given a string it will convert into a Python object. So the second one, it calls the json.dump, and dump function will do the serialization object to a JSON formatted string. So what we need is to the next step for YAML load, we need to give a JSON formatted string. So this converted JSON data will be used in the next step. So in the YAML.safe load will use this converted JSON data and give the YAML data instead. So once you receive this YAML data, you can use the YAML.dump function that is inside the YAML package. This one will serialize a Python object into a YAML string. So once you receive that one, the converted YAML data can be written into the file, which is the final YAML file. Here you can try out a run here. So let's run the script. So it ran successfully. So in this out folder there should be a output.yaml file. So see, you can see it is converted into a YAML format. The input is from the JSON format and the output is in the YAML format. So the code is very simple. So only 4 steps: JSON load, JSON dump, and YAML load and YAML dump, then write into the file. It is very easy. So again we will come up with the similar kind of very small Python tool. So till then, goodbye. Thank you.